Ever typed a full report in all caps by mistake? Or got messy names like John Smith in your Excel sheet? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to instantly fix text cases in Excel with and without formulas. Let's make your data look clean and professional in just seconds. Take a look at our sample data. In column A, I've got a list of employee names entered in all sorts of messy formats. Our goal is to transform this into clean, professional-looking text. And with Excel, we can instantly convert them into uppercase, lowercase, or proper case. And it makes your data presentation ready in seconds. First, let's use formulas. Select cell B2. Start with the equal sign. Type upper. This is the function that changes any text to all capital letters. Inside the parentheses, select A2. That's the cell with the name we want to convert. Now press Enter. Just drag the formulas down. Or double-click the bottom right corner of the cell, and Excel instantly cleans up the entire list of names. Now go to cell C2. Type equal sign to start. Then lower. This function makes all letters small. Inside parenthesis, again select reference A2. Press Enter, and now the text is all lowercase. Drag it down. Finally, in cell D2, type equal sign first, then proper. This function capitalizes the first letter of each word. Inside parenthesis, select A2 again. Finally, hit Enter. Drag the formulas down, and Excel instantly fixes all names in your list. Now, what if you don't want formulas? Here's a faster trick. In column E, just type the corrected version of the first name. For example, type John Smith. With your cursor still selected in cell E2, press Ctrl+E. Or go to the Data tab and click on Flash Fill. Excel will recognize the pattern and instantly fix the rest of the column for you. Super quick and easy. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.